Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Japan's snowstorm record. This topic relates to geography section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The city of Aomori in Japan has set a record for January snowfall, reaching 167 centimeters. This is the heaviest snowfall the region has seen in 81 years. Surpassing the previous record set in 1945. While Aomori is known for its snow, this post-war record has disrupted daily life and even national politics. The heavy snowstorm has caused widespread disruptions, highlighting the intensity of this historic weather event. Now let's discuss, why is Japan so snowy? Japan's heavy snowfall is primarily caused by the Sea of Japan effect. Cold, dry air from Siberia moves across the Sea of Japan, picking up moisture. When this air hits the western mountain ranges, it rises, cools, and turns into snow. The geography of areas like Aomori traps the clouds, resulting in meters of snow in a short period. Now let's discuss what happens when two winter storms collide. When two winter storms collide, it's due to a phenomenon called the Japan Sea Polar Air Mass Convergence Zone, JPCZ. The Siberian winds hit the Korean Peninsula's mountains, splitting into two separate streams. These freezing airstreams meet over the Sea of Japan, crashing together with great force. This collision pushes the air upwards, creating a narrow atmospheric river of snow clouds, which can dump up to 100 centimeters of snow in just a few hours. Now let's discuss if climate change play a role. A warming planet can lead to heavier snowfall, especially in areas like the Sea of Japan. Warmer oceans, such as the Tsushima Current, evaporate more moisture into the atmosphere. The Tsushima Current, flowing from the tropics, has been warming at twice the global average rate. This warmth provides more energy and moisture to storms. When cold Siberian air meets this moisture, it results in massive snowfalls, making snow events more intense over time. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the snowfall record in Aomori, Japan. 1. Aomori recorded 167 centimeters of snow in January, breaking the 1945 record. 2. The Oyashio Current, warming at twice the global average rate, increases snowfall in Japan. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.